Hi guys, it's Rebecca here, and today I'm going to be walking you through the steps of making a grape juice chai. It's so good. When I came across this, I was super excited, and I'll tell you why. Grapes in Ayurveda are chosen. They cool down the blood, and they also get rid of the fire in the blood. This is known as rasayana in Ayurveda. So I went out and bought some grape juice. I chose the white grapes because they're lighter, but they're still very sweet. And the juice is quite slimy and left my digestive feeling a little uncomfortable drinking it. So when I found this recipe, I was so excited because I can actually drink this. What the grape juice chai is, it nourishes as well as heal the body at the same time, because what's in it is ginger and cardamom in my model pistol here. And what that does is helps with the digestion system to actually absorb what you're drinking. And there's turmeric. So turmeric softens the coolness of the juice. It actually made it feel a little lighter as well as when I drank it. And it's so yummy. So I was super excited to find this because now I can drink grape juice and it nourishes the body and heals, and my digestion's fine with it. So I'll walk you through the steps of how to make it. It's super simple. I've already made one here with the red grapes. You use a tea brewer and you pop your herbs, so ginger, turmeric and cardamom. You pound them. I've done that here. I'll give you a little show. So they're in there. And so you got your ginger, turmeric and cardamom. And you pop that in your brewer. Like so. Then you just grab the grape juice and pour that out into your glass. Now I've always drank the white grapes because they're a little lighter. So depending on how your digestive system is, which one to choose, but the red grapes are really good, really yummy. And all you do is you do that and you let it sit there for 20 minutes, and that's brewing in room temperature. Then you get rid of the brewer and you've got your grape juice chai ready to go through it for the day. This is fantastic when you're a little bit low in energy or you need that little bit of a hit. But it's also nourishing and healing. It's a blood tonic. It actually expels armor. It's a liver tonic. It's great for this time of year because it actually works on the kidneys and urinary problems. It's actually detoxing and stimulates things that move in the body. So it's really, really good for this time of the year, guys. Check it out. It's so good. Really, really good. Thank you. Namaste.